Hey everyone, hope you're doing great today. Around 2 months back, I posted a tutorial on making a kid's story animation completely free. And honestly, I was blown away by how much you all enjoyed it. Today, it's all about creating a completely fresh kids' story animation. Using free tools anyone can try. Let's jump in and start creating our children's animation from scratch.
To begin, I go into ChatGPT and paste in my custom story prompt. It contains a character list, a plot structure broken into 5 scenes, and a clear instruction for ChatGPT to generate the full script. I also ask for image prompts for each scene, with a dreamy, child-friendly tone. Now, we have narration and visual prompts for each scene. Let's copy it and move on to generate images. The prompt structure file is included below the description.
The first tool I'm using to generate images is Microsoft Copilot. I really like the style of the illustrations or Pixar it creates. They are soft, dreamy, and perfect for children's stories. It creates 15 images per day for free. That is enough for our project. This is a great tool for creating illustrations or Pixar-style image for children's stories. Okay, let's head over to Microsoft Copilot.
Okay, first click on Create Image. Then paste the prompt. At the end of the prompt, type the image style you want, like cartoon, Pixar, or illustration. Also type aspect ratio. And hit Generate. It usually takes a few seconds to create the image. Okay, let's try another prompt. Type in, create an image of a, next, paste the prompt. Finally, the style and aspect ratio, that's it. There's something magical about watching your ideas turn into soft, dreamy images, and Copilot does that so quickly and effortlessly. In just seconds, I get a beautiful, Pixar cartoon-style image that feels like it's straight out of a children's book. We'll just repeat this exact process for the rest of shots.
Alright, once we've got our image ready, it's time to bring it to life. We'll be using the powerful AI to turn our still images into awesome videos.
Head over to the Hailuo AI website. Sign up with a brand new account, and you'll get 500 free credits instantly. You have 3 days from the moment you sign up to use them. So make the most of it. And if you ever need more credits, just create another new account and keep your project rolling. For the video prompts, just tell ChatGPT what tool you're using, and it'll craft the perfect prompt for you, quick and easy. Click on Video. Import the image and paste the prompt. Select the model on Hailuo Director. Finding a powerful video generation tool without a paid subscription is honestly tough. Most platforms only offer a few trial credits, just enough to test the basics. But Hailuo is a real exception. With 500 free credits, it's doing a big favor for free users. And in terms of quality, its video output is truly impressive, from rendering animations to blending light and color. It's honestly one of the best options out there if you want to start creating visual content without spending a dime. Look at these details. The lighting, the animation, this is crazy good. Repeat the same steps for the remaining scenes, and you'll have your full story ready in no time.
Now it's time to creating the voiceover. To do that, head over to Elevenlabs.
Just paste your narration text right here. Pick a voice. I really recommend a Daniel for the narrator. It's a good choice, and then hit Generate. And then, download it. Okay, now I'm in Canva and it's time to put this all together. First, I'll choose video and then YouTube video. I'll also add a few extra pages. Because I wanted the video timing to match the narration and avoid repeating scenes, I made 2 versions of each scene in Hailuo. Then, I add my video files and voices. I already done this before. Now I need to put the videos in order. To do that, put your playhead where you want the video to go, and click on that. Okay, I'll import the scenes in order, and also increase the scale of the video so that the watermark is not visible. Hang on while I add the others. Now I've got all the videos in order. Next I will add the match and move transition between all pages. I place the playhead at the beginning right about here. Then, I'll go to Uploads to Audio. And add the narrator's voice. Perfectly coordinated. That's great. I just added sound effects that match the scenes. I made them with VO3, and I'll include them in the description so you can use them in your own project. Let's see the result.
Bella hurried to her favorite spot by the stream, only to find her special log was gone. Her little red flag drooped as she looked around. She followed a lantern-lit path and found Ollie the owl hanging tiny lights. "Have you seen my log?" she asked. "Logs don't just disappear," Ollie said. "Maybe someone borrowed it." Together, they followed a trail and found Pip the possum rolling the log into a clearing. "I borrowed it for tonight's stage," Pip beamed. Smiling, Bella joined in, decorating with berry garlands, mossy cushions, glowing acorns. By nightfall, the forest gathered round. Stories, songs, and laughter filled the air. The missing log had brought everyone together, and the night sparkled with friendship.
Once you're happy with the result, go to Share and download it as MP4.
Alright friends, that's it for today. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.